Hi dear children, good morning to all of you. How are you? Fine, thank you. Just once again I am back on this platform to give you the better knowledge in this lockdown because due to this lockdown we are unable to go to our schools. Also you. So this is our the effort that we make you learn better staying at your home. Now today is 7th May 2020 and in our previous classes we just shooted our videos for the science classes from 1 to 7th, but today I am going to shoot my videos from 1 to 7th class subject maths. Okay, so now I don't want to take much of your time, just start this video. But before going to start this video I request all of you one thing, that please subscribe and also press the bell icon and never forget to share and comments. Okay, just come. Here you can see on the board that written class 1 subject maths chapter 1 and the heading of the chapter that pre-number concept. It means that before studying the number patterns we have to study something that will help you to understand the number concepts. Okay, for that some basic terms here written: heavier and lighter, longer and shorter, taller and shorter, tallest and shortest, more and less. Okay, you can see better. Now first we move on the first topic, that heavier and lighter. What is this term saying you? Just I will make you understand these two terms by explaining and by giving a better concept, drawing the diagram. Just look here. Heavier. Suppose that this is an object and this is also an object. Okay, it weighs 5 kg and it weighs 2 kg. Now you can compare by yourself that which is more weight. Okay, now we see that this object is heavier than that. So we can say that this is A and this is B. We can say that A is heavier than B. Okay, A is heavier than B. Also it can be expressed in other ways, that B is lighter than A. Okay, I think you may have understand what is this terms means, heavier and lighter. Once again I want to repeat that. Suppose that there is an object which weighs 5 kg and other objects 2 kg. Okay, then we can see here that 5 kg the object is heavier than the object of 2 kg. Suppose that it is A and it is B. So we can say that A is heavier than B or B is lighter than A. So that's complete. Now come to the next topics, longer and shorter. How can we describe it? Look here. I will also draw a diagram to understand these things. Longer and shorter. Suppose that we have a pen. This is a pen. Okay. This is a pen and this is a pencil. You can see both of them. This is A and this is A. Okay. So we look here that the length of the pen is shorter than pencil. Okay. The length of the pen is shorter than pencil. It means pen is short but pencil is long. So we can say that pen is shorter than pencil. Pen is shorter than pencil, or you can also say that pencil is longer than pen. This way you can understand. This is the A pencil, this is the B, this is a pen, and this is a B pencil. Okay, it is short, it is long. So if we compare both of them together, then we can say that pen is shorter than pencil or pencil is longer than pen. Okay. Next comes to the topics taller or shorter. Suppose that we have two trees or two plants, just one is long and second is short or tall. Okay. Suppose that this is a tree A and this is tree B, right? This is tree A, this is tree B. You can see here that tree A is tall, long, and tree B is a small, okay, or short. So we can say that tree A is longer than tree B, right? Tree A is longer than tree B, or you can also say it in other ways that tree B is shorter than tree A. Like this you can understand. Okay. Once again, this is tree A, this is tree B. We can see here that tree A is long, tree B is short. So we can say that tree A is longer than tree B. Or you can also look here that B is a small or short than A. So we can say that tree B is shorter than tree A. It means that B जो है A से छोटा है, या फिर ट्री A is longer than tree B. It means that tree A जो है tree B से लंबा. Okay. Then we come to the next topics, tallest and shortest. Okay. Now here one more things that I want to make you clear. Here you can see heavier, lighter, longer, shorter, taller, shorter. Okay. Each word ends with R. Each word ends with R. It means that these all words are only used for two objects whenever they are being compared. Understand? Suppose that in the given above examples, we just have taken the examples of only two objects. This one, this one, this one. So we can understand that whenever two objects are compared with each other, then the comparison words ends with R. Okay? So here R. It means that these words are used only for the comparison between two things. But here we see that this is tallest and shortest. It means that here the comparison will be done among three or more objects. Okay? So now look here, tallest, shortest. A, this is A. This is B. And this is C. Here three objects we take. Now look. Here we see that A is tall, B is also some tall, and C is less tall. So we compare here among three objects and we see that A is tallest of them. It means that A इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा है. So how can we write it? We write it that A is tallest of all. Yeah, you can also say that A is tallest among A, B and C. Understand? It means that A जो है A, B and C इन तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा लंबा है. So I think you understand tallest, shortest. What is tallest and what is shortest? Here look that we can see that C is the shortest among A, B and C. So we can write here that C is the shortest among A, B and C. ओके, C जब सबसे छोटा है और अभी बात आती है यहाँ थ्री की और मोर देन थ्री. ओके, when the matter is among three or more than three objects, then we will use among here. Okay, but if the matter is between two objects, then we use here shorter, longer, heavier, etc. But here we use tallest. It means that whenever we compare between three or more things, then that comparison words ends with est. Okay. Now come to the topics more and less. What is more and what is less? More means in Hindi अधिक and less means कम. Suppose that A has 1, 2, 3, 4 balls and B has 1, 2, 3 balls. Now you tell me which one has more balls? Which one has more balls? This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3. Here clearly we see that A has more balls than B. Okay, A has more balls than B, or you can also say that this has one less ball than A. It means that B has less balls than A. Okay, so these terms the students of the class 1 you will have to remember and also learn these terms, and this is the first chapters that includes these all things, and you have to learn it very easy. Okay, by step and step. If you understand these words, these terms, then you have no problem to do that. Okay, thank you.